Hello guys, welcome to our channel English Learning Center. So what we will learn today, before don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So today we will learn article. So what are articles? Articles are placed before nouns to show whether they are specific or not. So, how many types of article? There are three types of article which are classified into two categories, indefinite and definite. A. Used before consonant sound, a car, a book. N. Used before vowel sound, an apple, an elephant. Definite article used before specific noun, the sun, the book. Quick recap: before consonant sound and before vowel sound, the before specific noun. So let's move to indefinite articles. There are two indefinite articles in English. A A is used before consonant sound and N is used before vowel sound. Examples of a car, C sound, a book, B sound, a boy, B sound, a pen, P sound. Use A before words that begin with consonant sound. More example: a university, U sound, a European, U sound, a 1 rupee coin, W sound. N is used before vowel sound. It also does not depend on spelling. Example: an apple, A sound, an orange, O sound, an hour, O sound, where H is silent, an elephant, E sound. Use N before words that begin with vowel sound. More example: an honest person, O silent H means O sound, an air, here an H is silent, an MBA, here EM sound, an orange, O sound. So here are definite articles. The is definite articles. It is used before specific noun. Uses of the is used before specific person or thing. The boy in blue is my brother. Before a unique thing. The sun rises in east. Before the names of ocean, river, seas, mountains, etc. The Himalayas are highest mountain. Before the name of newspaper, books, movies, hotels, etc. I read the Times every day. Fifth, before ordinal numbers and superlatives. She came first in the race. Examples: I have read the book. The earth is round. The Taj Mahal is in India. The Pacific Ocean is in West. He is the best player. And other examples. Quick rule: specific plus unique equals to the. When we talk about something special or unique, we use the. You can pause the video and read these remember one rules. So practice question. Choose the correct option. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. Option A, option B, N, option C, the. She is dash honest girl. A, N, and the dash rises, dash sun rises in the east. A, N, the. He is dash best player in our team. A, N, the dash Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. A, N, the fill in the blanks. Dash a apple keeps the doctor away. She is dash engineer. We visited dash red fort yesterday. We it is dash interesting story. He has dash book in his hand. Write A and the or no article. I drink dash every day. He is useful. He is dash useful boy. Dash Ganga is a holy river. I have dash pen and dash eraser. Kindness is great. Kindness is dash great. So here are answers. आंसर की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स A1N, A2N, A3 the, A4 the, A5 the. These are of question number A, B1N, B2N, B3 the, B4N, B5 a. These are of question B. And question C, C1 no article, C2 a, C3 the, C4 a and N, C5 no article. So these are answer of the practice test I provided you. So hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, comment and share, and like the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.